Alaska Railroad, a comprehensive guide to Alaska scenic railway adventure and its historic development. The Alaska Railroad, a window to the past. In Alaska, a historic transportation system carries stories of determination and resilience through its iron tracks. The Alaska Central Railroad was born in 1903 with the vision of connecting America's largest state to the farthest reaches. Despite challenges, this monumental feat strengthened the spirit behind it. The railroad underwent transformations, changing names and faces multiple times. However, in 1914, the U.S. Congress gave its approval, funding an all-weather route from Seward to Fairbanks. As construction progressed, a town began to form along Ship Creek, eventually becoming Anchorage. In 1923, President Warren G. Harding drove the final golden spike, marking a major milestone. The railroad continued to evolve, introducing diesel locomotives in 1944 and recovering from the devastating Good Friday earthquake in 1964. On January 6, 1985, Alaska took control of the railroad, investing in improvements. Today, the Alaska Railroad carries about 500 passengers annually, binding communities and preserving American history. Its stories are a testament to human ambition and exploration that shaped Alaska's identity. As it looks to the future, discussions about extending its reach hint at further adventures on these iron tracks. The Alaska Railroad is more than infrastructure, it is a living piece of American heritage. Its stories whisper tales of yesterday while dreaming of tomorrow. This historic railroad remains vital in today's fast-paced world, carrying people and goods across the vast Alaskan landscape. By exploring its past, we can appreciate its significance in shaping America's identity. The Alaska Railroad is an important part of the state's history, connecting communities and preserving memories for future generations. Its journey through